Is your Samsung TV remote suddenly unresponsive? Before you panic or rush to buy a replacement, there are several effective methods you can try to restore its functionality. Method 1. Reset the remote. First, try resetting the remote. Remove the batteries, press and hold the power button for 8 seconds, then reinsert the batteries. This can discharge any residual power and reset the remote, often resolving minor glitches. Method 2. Check for interference. Ensure there are no objects obstructing the infrared eye sensor on the TV. Sometimes, devices like soundbars or even sunlight can interfere with the IR signal. Move any potential obstructions out of the way and try again. Method 3. Test the remote's IR signal. Use a smartphone camera to check if the remote's IR signal is working. Point the remote at the camera and press any button. If you see a flashing light on the remote sensor through your phone's screen, the IR signal is functioning. If not, the remote might be faulty. Method 4. Repair the remote. If you have a smart remote Bluetooth, repair it with your TV. Hold down the return and play pause button simultaneously for 5 seconds. The TV should recognize the remote and pair it again, potentially fixing any connection issues. Method 5. Check the TV's sensor. Sometimes the issue isn't with the remote, but with the TV's IR sensor. Reset the TV by unplugging it for a minute, then plug it back in. If the sensor was stuck or unresponsive, this might help. Method 6. Update the TV's firmware. Outdated firmware can cause communication issues between the TV and remote. Check your TV's settings to see if there's a firmware update available. If there is, update it and see if this resolves the remote issue. Method 7. Remove sources of interference. Certain electronic devices, like Wi-Fi routers or other Bluetooth devices, can interfere with the remote signal. Try turning off or moving these devices to see if the remote starts working. Method 8. Try a different pair of batteries. While it might seem basic, not all batteries are equal. Ensure you're using fresh, high-quality batteries. Avoid rechargeable ones, as they might not provide sufficient power.